Hello dear students, I hope that you all of you are fine. Once again I welcome back everyone to our JC class. So children, today we will discuss the question answer part of our chapter 7, that is about the air. Okay, we have already completed this chapter. So children, you see carefully and please write it down in your notebook. So question number 1 is given, choose the correct option. Days is the most important gas for all living beings. We all of you know that is oxygen. The amount of days present in air is called humidity. Answer is water vapor. Air gets polluted due to the presence of days. Answer is smoke. Air contains 78% of nitrogen. Okay children, see wherever I have given tick mark in your book also, you give tick mark with your pencil. Then write it down in your notebook. Children, then question number 5 bit is properties of air are dash. Answer is it takes up space, it expands, it has weight. So all of these. True false statement. Solids have definite shape and volume. This is true. The air around us is Earth's atmosphere. This is also true statement. Air has no weight. This is false because we have learnt that air has weight. It takes some space. Plants use carbon dioxide to make food. This is also true. Taking in air through nose is called exhalation. This is false. Answer is taking in air through nose is called inhalation. Exhalation is what? That is act of giving out of air. Then fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Liquids do not have a fixed shape but have a fixed volume. See children, in that box answers are given. From there you have to write it. So question number 1 answer is liquids. Air contains 78% of nitrogen. Then exhalation is the act of giving out of air. Air is used to play instruments like flute and mouth organ. Then children, conservation of energy also helps us to reduce pollution. Okay? Then we will come to the question answer part. So children, I have not written the question, you can write it down. What is the composition of air? You can write its answer like this. Air is a mixture of gases. It contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.03% carbon dioxide and 0.97% water vapor and other gases. Okay children. Then question number 2 given, what are the properties of air? Briefly explain any two. So children, I have written the properties. You can explain any two from there. Okay, this is option for you. So its answer is properties of air. Air has weight, air takes up space. Air has no color, air supports burning. Air expands on heating. You can write like this. Okay. Explanation will not come in exam, but if you want to write, you can write in your notebook. Then question number 3 is given children. What is breathing? Why is it important? Okay. So you can write its answer like this. The process by which air is taken in and released out of the body is called breathing. Breathing is important because without it a person cannot live. It also helps us to sleep well, digest food more efficiently and improve our body's immune system. Then question number 4, what are the uses of air? This is very easy. You can write any 4 or 5 uses from your book. So uses of air. Air helps living things to breathe. Air helps birds to fly. Air helps sailboats to move on water. Air carries the seeds of a plant to new places. Children, question number 5. How are man-made causes are different from natural causes of air pollution? So its answer you can write like this. The major difference between the natural and man-made causes of air pollution is that Natural events like forest fires, volcanoes, dust storms, etc. causes natural air pollution. Whereas human activities like deforestation, improper garbage disposal, stagnant water, unhygienic living conditions, burning of coal, wood and crackers, smoke produced by vehicles and factories, etc., are responsible for man-made air pollution. Okay, children? So, you can give any 2 or 3 examples of man-made air pollution here. Okay, I have written many. You can write any 2 or 3 according to your wish, or you can write all. Then children, question number 6, write some measures to prevent air pollution. This is also given in your book. You can write any points from there. So children, what are the measures to prevent air pollution? You can write measures to prevent air pollution. First is, we should use public transport instead of private vehicles. Then factories should be built outside of the city. All vehicles should get smoke emission tests done. Plant more trees to get fresh air. We should use CNG and LPG. Children, here you can write plant more trees. This is more trees. Okay. TREES. I have written only tree. You write it trees. And you can write full form of CNG is what, children? Compressed natural gas. LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. So children, these are the question answer part of our chapter 7. Please write it down in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.